Hi y'all, it's Jessica at Living Well Realty. I am back in Lexington today checking up on this new build for my clients. So let's go see what they've done. Okay, here we are. So they have poured the slab. We have foundation. I guess that's my Oprah's voice. Okay, so let's go look. So last week we talked about, I guess we saw the dirt and how it was sectioned off and they had moisture barrier. We talked about the post tension cables and the plumbing rough. So this week they have poured the foundation. So they took the form boards off, which were right here, or they were around the parameter right here of the foundation. So that's what held the cement in place once they poured it. And then once it dried and hardened, is that a word, hardened? Once the cement dried, they were able to take those form boards off. So now you can see the whole perimeter of your house. Very cool. So rule of thumb is, try to get up here. Well, now if you see, it's so windy, hope y'all can hear me. If you see little hairline cracks in the foundation, that is completely normal. So don't worry about that. Now, if you see big cracks where you can fit a quarter inside, see this thing? If you can fit a quarter in like that throughout in the crack, then that's not good and we need to address it. But I do not see any of that. I don't even see any hairline cracks. So that's very cool. It's looking really good, guys. You want it to be smooth, and it's pretty dang smooth. This is a good pour. They did a good job. Let's look over here real fast. So see these bolts on the perimeter of the house? So that's where the your lumber is going to get attached to. So the frame of the house. And then you see these rebar posts sticking out from your foundation. If there were any cracks, they have this tool that they put on there and they twist and turn and it closes up the cracks. Pretty cool. So yeah, here you go. Wind is really picking up, so this is going to be short and sweet today. But everything looks really, really good. So that's very exciting. So next phase will be lumber. Yeah, we'll be dropping off lumber this week and framing your house. So there you have it. This is so awesome. Okay, so like I said, that's it for this week. You got your foundation poured. Very cool. So next stage will be framing. So yeah, the weather looks good. Hopefully it's actually looks like rain clouds now that I say that. But weather permitting, hopefully we will have a framed house coming up next week. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back out here Sunday to refilm and see what they've done. If you are looking to buy or build in and around the Frisco, Texas area, please click the link below. Ask for me. I'd love to help you. And until then, you guys take care. Bye-bye.